Hey, BORKSTERS! Today we're going to be making slime with my madre. What do you think you start with out of all?
Obviously you were going for the glue.
The glue.
So. Oh, that's so much glue. I think I'm going to make just a little here.
Nice. What do you think comes next?
Whatever the blue stuff is.
No.
Oh, we have to color it or water it?
Yeah, color it. I picked blue and she's doing black.
Black. Do we add a lot of paint or just kind of?
No, you don't really need a lot.
It's not black, it's gray. How do I make it black?
Grab the glitter.
I get to be by myself. Let's tell a story about Shelby.
No.
This one time, Shelby's actually amazing. I love having her as my daughter. Oh, look, it turned into black. That's black. Oh, do we put the glitter in now?
Yes.
Glitter. Should I do it like the makeup people? Glitter.
You have to put it up to the camera.
Oh, sorry. Glitter. That is fancy.
So you can't even see it.
Sure, you will be able to see it. That's sad. You can't really see it. Water.
You
should really learn how to measure stuff.
If you guys don't know, I make a lot of slime.
It's like a whole cabinet of like slime. Like tons.
Okay, now for the thing that you love to say so much, it's Stay Flow!
She said it right.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how much to add. You only add a little bit at a time.
Okay.
It's like that much. A little. And it comes out fast.
Wow.
You want to just add a little bit at a time, because if you add too much, then it gets really, really hard and not fun to play with.
That's what it looks like.
Ooh.
It looks like charcoal in a mold. This is like the crap that shoots out of Spider-Man's arm.
Tom Holland.
Tom Holland. I like the old guy better. Although right at this moment I can't remember his name.
Tom Holland is a beast, and he's lit, and he's adorable. And
wait, Tom, isn't that the guy that's dating Taylor Swift? That's that guy's name? What happens if you add too much?
It gets really super duper hard and overactivated.
And hey, I can see my glitter, girl.
What you're gonna do is fast.
I'm doing it!
Good. Smallest bit on the top like that. And you're just, when you do it, you put your hand in and start putting it all around the top.
I made slime, man. I can put it on the table now? Oh, no, it's sticking.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
It's Did I just paint my hands black?
Give me your other hand in there.
Quick, get the
Let's
glitter!
see.
You're welcome. I'm not gonna
Look at this, guys. They're pretty good.
I get it off the one hand, and then it just sticks to my other hand, so.
That's why you have to put it on the table.
Oh.
I can't.
It's like gum on my hands. Yay!
The last step is naming your slime.
I have to name it?
Mm-hmm.
Jeez.
What would you name your black
That's
slime?
just the blob, man. Oh, the ring, get it off. Basically, this is just a video about my daughter getting slime off my hands. You said take a little bit, so I'm going to take a little bit, and then I'm going to go like this.
This is my mom's, this is mine. Yours actually didn't even turn out bad. Like, it's actually really good. Okay, ready?
Oh, you're just slapping it around. Show it to the folks at home. There you go. Oh, that looks actually kind of cool. Very nice. It looks like you can't see it. It looks like a cinnamon bun. Cinnamon bun.
Oh,
and it's
make sure you like, comment, and subscribe
to the videos.
Yeah. Bye, BORKSTERS!
Bye!
See you tomorrow for another daily vlog! Behind the scenes. I got it. Oh my god. I don't know. Hey, BORKSTERS. No.
Thanks. If you call it staff flow, I'm gonna smack you on camera.
Okay, ready? On 3, say hey, BORKSTERS. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna say make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Bye.